Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll explore VPN configuration using SSTP protocol to establish a secure connection between two MikroTik devices. What is SSTP? SSTP Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol is an application layer VPN protocol that transmits traffic over TCP port 443. Since this port is typically open on most firewalls and proxy servers, SSTP can easily bypass restrictive network environments, making it ideal when other VPN protocols fail. A bonus, SSTP is natively supported on Windows systems, so no additional setup is needed there. Quick overview of the SSTP connection process. A TCP connection is initiated from the client to the server, default port 443. The server's SSL certificate is verified. If it's valid, the session continues. If not, the connection is dropped. Once SSL verification succeeds, the client sends SSTP control packets over the HTTPS session, which forms the actual SSTP tunnel. The client authenticates, and IP addresses are assigned to the SSTP interface. The SSTP tunnel is now up and ready for encrypted communication. Certificates overview. To set up a secure SSTP tunnel, certificates are required. On the server side, authentication is done via username and password. On the client side, the server must be verified using its certificate. Important note for Windows clients: if you're using a self-signed certificate, you'll need to import the CA certificate on the Windows machine to trust the SSTP server. SSTP requires at least a 472-bit RSA key length. Shorter keys are insecure. You can set up SSTP between two MikroTik routers without certificates, but this is highly discouraged. Such a tunnel is vulnerable to man-in-the-middle min-am attack. Let's set it up in Winbox. 1. Creating certificates. Step 1. Root CA certificate. Step 2. Server certificate. Step 3. Client certificate add equal tokli insert contra equal to uat equal to Kiev locali equal to Kiev fine. Organization equal to my company. Unite equal to INTT. Common name equal to ein clienton. In 6 equal. Chi size equal to 2048 days. Valid equal to 365. Then sign it. Certificate sign client cert equal to root CA certificates. Two. SSTP server configuration. Step 1. Create a PP profile. Go to PP Profiles. Create a new profile with local address for the server, remote address or IP pool for client. Step 2. Create a VPN user PP secret name equal tom t user and password equal to strong pass and service equal tos tp mighty profile equal to profile name. Step 3. Enable the SSTP server interface. SSTP server set enabled equal toys and default profile equal to profile name as certificate equal to server cert and verify client certificate equal toys and toys authentication equal tom shap2 and pfs equal toys. PFS perfect. Forward secrecy ensures that if the private key is compromised, past sessions remain secure because every session uses a new temporary key. Step 4. Static SSTP binding optional. Go to PP. Interfaces. Select SSTP server binding. Set. Name. Associated username. Step 5. Open port 443 in the firewall. Go to IP, Firewall, Filter Rules. Add an input rule to accept TCP port 443. Step 6. Add route to client network IP route. Add DST address equal TO192.168.2.0 24 gateway equal totem 0.0.0.5 comment equal to route to client network. Server is ready. Three. SSTP client configuration. Step 1. Export and import certificates on the server. Export the client certificate with a password to include the private key. Transfer both files cert plus key to the client route. On the client, go to System Certificates, import the certificate and then the key. Step 2. Create SSTP client interface. To strong pass and profile equal to default encryption and certificate equal to client cert and verify server address from certificate equal toys inquiry. Authentication equal tom shap2 and int pfs equal toys. Note: the profile here doesn't matter. The server will enforce its own settings. If everything's correct, you'll see an orange flag. Connection is running. 4. Client routing optional to reach the server network. IP route. Add DST address equal T192.168.1.0 24 gateway equal totem 0.0.0.1 comment equal to our route to server network. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.